When I reviewed the TSProf Pioneer, the biggest problem was the price, but that may have just changed. TSProf just restocked in the US, and it's not just the Pioneer system. It's higher end systems, abrasives, accessories, all of it. I'll have links down in the pinned comment and the description for you can get them for yourself, but let's jump right in because if you've been on the fence, this may be a game changer. So let's start out with what I would say are the big dogs, and that is the sharpening systems. So the headliner for me, as I mentioned, is going to be the TSProf Pioneer, and that is with the new 2026 version. And as you can see, it has like a what I would call a blackout finish. So the parts that were stainless before are now finished with a matte black finish, and it also comes, importantly, with the upgraded glide pivot. Module, whatever you want to call that. And so that has two real benefits. The first is that it will be a smoother motion when you are actuating it. But the other thing is it has a simplified parking setup. So in the original one, there was actually a specific part you had to put on there and get it sitting just right to get the stone to park to the side so you could rotate. This one is a much more simplified version of that, and just is an upgrade all around. But the big thing is you're getting that upgrade as well as the rest of the system is pretty much identical to what they had before for that price, $246. Now, mine, when I got it, or when I did the review on the Pioneer, was running about $347, I think, was the lowest price that you could get on the Pioneer system. And that comes with stones, and that also comes with a C-clamp to clamp it on the edge of your bench. You can still upgrade it with the folding base or the heavy base if you want to. It'll still work with those. But yeah, all around for $246, I think that price drop and the upgrade of the hinge unit takes this from what I would call a solid competitor to arguably, I think this is the best buy under $300 for a fixed angle sharpening system. I think that's really hard to argue. Now, they didn't just restock the Pioneer, they also have the Cadet Pro in stock. Now, I think this one isn't listed in the new drop because I think they did have a few of these in stock. But the Cadet Pro, it's also a compact system like the Pioneer, but it's a little bit different philosophy. The really nice thing about this one is that you can actually fold it down. You can see the pivot there. You can take the clamp off and the sharpening holder, and just break all that down. And then the part that goes on will actually fold down. So you can break all of those down and into a really compact package. So this is arguably a more portable system than the Pioneer. Now, it is a little bit more. It's $498, but you're gaining a lot of functionality in that and a lot of portability with the Cadet Pro. Now, if you want to really go all out, they have the KO3 system back in stock as well, and that ranges in price from $898 all the way up to the system that has their alpha resin bonded stones, which is $1,367. And we'll talk about the stones here in a little bit. But whether you want a budget system or you want to go all out and get one of their more high-end systems, there are options there for you now. So speaking of the stones, they have their alpha stones in stock. And if you're not familiar, the stones that they come with originally, the systems are electroplated diamond, I believe. But the resin bonded stones are a bit of an upgrade just because of the way that they are constructed. Instead of having just a surface of stones that will gradually wear off, the diamonds are actually in the resin of these stones. And so as you're wearing them down, you're just going to expose more diamonds. So these will have a longer life. And especially when you get into the really fine grits, you can get some really amazing finishes with these. Now, They're available in 2 separate packs, you can see here, and the difference is just the grits of the stones that you have available. One goes 100 grit to 9,000 grit, the other is 120 to 11,000, and then just the different grits there in between depending on what you want. Now, they also have a couple of them available individually. It looks like they have the 150 and the 600 grit. And the part that I may actually end up going for is the case here that will hold 7 stones for you, and it'll hold TSProf stones, or it'll fit pretty much any standard 6-inch stone. But it's great for portability, or if you just want to keep it on the bench and keep them out of the way and keep them stored, they are great for that. And you may have also seen they also have a strop. So if you want to also strop on your system, you can get this and either strop with it just straight up as it is, or if you want to add your own compound, that is an option too. But some really good options there. And last but not least, they also restocked quite a few parts, especially clamps. So the 2 that I think are probably the most interesting are the quick clamps, which these, instead of the standard screw, you can see they have the levers that you can clamp down. So that'll speed up your sharpening process as far as clamping and unclamping. And they also now, and I think these are relatively new, they have quick fillet clamps. So these are going to be a little bit longer and a little bit thinner profile. So these will be great if you want to sharpen those really thin knives, or the knives that are just kind of hard to get to with the standard clips because of the thinness of the blade. They also have just the standard fillet clamps, as you can see here. And the single clamp is probably the other one that I would highly recommend. And these are great for if you want to sharpen a smaller pocket knife or something like that. Because now I have the L adapters, so I can actually bring my separate clamps together. But for small pocket knives, this is a great option, and definitely an upgrade that I recommend. So whether you're thinking about getting into a true premium fixed angle system, or you want to upgrade the system you already have, this drop from TSProf is definitely worth checking out. Links will be down in the pinned comment and the description for what they have in stock. And I'm curious, are you guys still sticking with a simpler sharpening system, or is something like the TSProf finally starting to make sense for you, especially at this price point? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss updates like this one. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next one.